What's up guys, it's Mel back with another video, and today we're going to look at our next Blogger Mail Monday. So in this one we also got another Pinchme box, and this is I already opened it so I kind of have to like make it for what it is, but this is the Pinchme box that we received this week, and I want to just go right in and show you guys what I received. So this one is quite a bit, so I'm going to put that to the side and just talk through what we got. So the first thing that we got is a root touch-up by Clairol, and they gave us like some little mini samples of stuff to touch up my roots. I do not have gray hair, but it could be cool to like touch up my eyebrows and make them a little darker or something, I don't know. But this is supposed to be the touch up on the go. So I got that from Clairol as a sample. Then the next thing I got was this K-cup from 1850coffee.com. It's used for the Keurig, and it is a Pioneer blend. So I don't know if you guys have ever tried them, but they have K-cups and coffee, and I am an iced coffee drinker, so this I can probably put in iced coffee, which will be nice. So that, and then I got a coupon from Clairol as well, and I don't know why. Sometimes they send like coupons that have expired already, because this one definitely expired like back in 2018, so I'm not sure why they gave me this, but I could probably still try to use it maybe. I'm not sure. Either way, I don't really need the gray hair touch up, so we're gonna put that to the side. The next thing I got was this Moroccan Oil treatment sample. I already use Moroccan Oil, and this stuff is amazing. So I'm really happy that now I have a little travel size version of it that I can put in my travel kit whenever we're out of quarantine. I'll be able to use that. So try this out. If you guys have never tried this out, you need to try it out because it's amazing. It's so good. So yeah, Moroccan Oil. And then I also got nut butter, and it feels really squishy. I don't know if it's supposed to be squishy like this, but it's Hex Nut Butter, and it has 1 egg, 18 almonds, a half date, and no BS is what it says, and it's vanilla almond butter. And this was a cool sample. They sell this at Whole Foods, I believe, so I'm really stoked to try this out. And it looks like it's all organic, which is great for me because I love things that are organic or just less preservatives in it. So I'm definitely gonna try that out. And then the last thing I got was this $50 HelloFresh gift card. It says $25 off of your first 2 boxes, and that's the code. I don't like these type of things only because I like to go to a grocery store and actually check out and purchase my own fresh meals. I'm sure I've heard really good things about HelloFresh, so maybe I'll try it out eventually, but as of right now I like to do my own thing. So if anyone's looking for a code, I could definitely, let me just show it to you. Go ahead and use it. So that is pretty much it, guys. I got quite a few things in this ordeal, and this box was probably one of the better boxes that I've received from Pinchme because it gave me a slew of different things to try out, and I'm totally stoked about this Moroccan Oil. And that is pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions on how I get free samples in the mail, definitely comment down below. Also check my description box because pinchme.com is completely free, and you can try it out on your own and get free stuff in the mail just to try out a sampler. So I guess I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. All right, bye guys, stay safe out there.